Hey guys, how are we doing? Crypto Insight UK here, bringing you back another YouTube video. So today we're going to be having a look at the Bitcoin price chart, and then we're going to look at the XRP price chart and the total crypto market cap and Bitcoin dominance charts too, to see if we can see what is going on with the market. I'm going to quickly start with Bitcoin. Bitcoin's had two decent days, the last 2 days breaking out of this bottoming sort of range that we put in. We can't really confirm any highs until the 64,500 region is reclaimed, the same area that we talked about before, which is up here. I'm looking for this reclaim of this area here between there and there. I'll draw you a little rectangle in there. Sorry if it's a bit loud. I'm recording from my sister's flat in Germany right now, so I'm on the move. So this is the area that we would need reclaiming, and I'll leave that there, reclaim this area, so we can check back in on that, or I can post that graphic for anyone who wants to know exactly what we're looking for. Once we start to reclaim that, we're looking at more bullish again for Bitcoin. However, as I said, the last few days have been pretty decent price action, not really supported by volume, but again, it's the weekend right now, so that could be a reason for that. Moving on to XRP specifically, price action for XRP has been lovely for the last few days. In fact, yesterday we had a nice 10.7% day. But what we do need to see right now is some follow through price action again today for XRP, and I'll show you why if we look at the Bitcoin, XRP and the ETH versus XRP chart. We'll start with XRP Bitcoin. I've said if we reclaim this white line here, so get daily candle closes above this top white line, that's when we're looking for bullish reversals. We managed to get above that line yesterday, but we actually rejected and closed below that. So today's price action is going to be very important for XRP against Bitcoin. And similarly, the same sort of story for XRP against Ethereum. We broke above the white line that I wanted to close above, but then we actually closed the day below it. So today is a very important day. We had a lot of volume come in yesterday on the XRP versus ETH chart, which is good to see on a breakout, similar with XRP against Bitcoin. The RSI on the daily is a bit overextended, and on the hourlies, it went literally parabolic, but now we've cooled all the way off, so that's why it's important to see what happens today. And that's what I've got my eyes on. They look like they're about to cross bullish again, so we could get a pump today out of XRP. That's what I'd be looking for. That's what I'd like to see. That gives us confirmation or more confirmation that the bottom's in and the bullish reversal might be incoming. Again, looking at the larger time frames, that's where we really need to look. It'd be lovely for that pump to come in today and we get the weekly close above that white line. That'd be the first step towards a reversal for XRP. The RSI on the weekly created that bullish divergence. I talked about this a lot of times, where we've created that higher low on the RSI and we've created that lower low in price action, and the RSI has also gained strength coming out of that oversold area against Ethereum, very similarly to what happens on Bitcoin. Look, if we just look at the bottom where my cursor is, you can see a slightly higher low whilst a lower low in price. So lower lows there, the higher lows here. Let me show you actually. I'm going to make my RSI a little bit bigger for you so I can show you more clearly. Slightly higher low there to there, slightly lower low there to there. We break out of the oversold area on the RSI and we move back into a more neutral area. Above 50 is where we start to become bullish, but when we start to get explosive price action for XRP, we move into the overbought area. As you can see here, this is what I would be looking to see. What I say is we take 2 or 3 candles working out price action, we start to get the closes above resistance, and then we have large green candles coming out of those zones. That's what I'm looking for when we move into that oversold area on the weekly RSI. We've still got a little way to go, so let's hope we can start to reclaim areas like this sort of level here, and then we see bullish price action come for XRP against Bitcoin and XRP against ETH, potentially starting some more parabolic moves for the asset. And as I said, it happens very quickly. You can see that throughout history. So let's keep our eye on that, guys. Finally, I'm just going to touch on Bitcoin dominance to finish the day. Bitcoin dominance has been flirting with the bottom of this range. It was still holding in that area where people aren't quite sure whether we're going to be having a bullish breakout for Bitcoin dominance or whether we're going to lose this key support level and push us into alt season. Looking towards early movers like XRP, that's when you can get more of an idea of what might come next. That's why today's weekly close, as I said, and I'll finish the video here actually, as I said, this weekly close above this white line is an important indicator as to what the altcoins might be doing next in the crypto space, and against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, this could be signaling the start of a larger move for altcoins. If you like altcoins in general, or if you're an XRP holder, you need to keep your eyes on the daily close today for XRP, because that will also be the weekly close above this white line here for Ethereum, 0.0001689, and for Bitcoin, just a few percent more. It's literally like from where we are right now, it's probably like 1% or 2.9% outperformance of Bitcoin is what we need today. We want the close above 0.60, I think that is 904. So let's see what happens. If you enjoyed the video, please share it with a friend and subscribe. Peace up. A-Town Down, Crypto Insight UK would say.